Then cool Amazon gadgets you'll want to buy 2025. Let's face it, technology keeps getting cooler and cooler, and there's no shortage of mind-blowing gadgets to get your hands on. Whether you're looking for something to upgrade your home, make your daily life easier, or just treat yourself, Amazon has some game-changing products that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Today, we're diving into 10 must-have gadgets for 2025 that are not only functional, but fun and innovative. If you're a gadget lover, buckle up. These are the products you'll want to add to your wish list right now. Let's check them out. Cocoon Gadget Organizer. If you've ever found yourself tangled in cables, wires, or simply lost in a sea of small personal items, the Cocoon Gadget Organizer is about to be your best friend. This simple but genius product offers a unique grid design where you can arrange your essentials like charging cables, pens, power banks, and even toiletries. It's perfect for travel, work, or keeping your bag neat. The adjustable elastic bands ensure everything stays in place no matter how jumbled your items are. The grid is incredibly versatile and can fit in your backpack, suitcase, or desk drawer. Whether you're heading to the office or on a weekend getaway, it provides a compact and efficient way to stay organized without the clutter. Plus, it comes in various sizes, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Life Straw Personal Water Filter. When you're out hiking, camping, or even facing an emergency situation, access to clean drinking water is crucial. The Life Straw Personal Water Filter offers a lifeline in such moments. It's designed to filter out harmful bacteria, protozoa, and parasites from any water source, whether it's a stream, lake, or even a puddle. It removes 99.9% of waterborne bacteria, providing safe drinking water, all in a lightweight, portable, and compact design with the Life Straw. You don't need to worry about boiling water or carrying heavy water bottles on long trips. It's an absolute must-have for adventurers and anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. The convenience and peace of mind it provides, knowing you have access to drinkable water wherever you are, is simply unmatched. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. If you're someone who starts the day with a cup of coffee and wants a cafe-quality brew in the comfort of your home, the Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine is a game changer. Compact yet powerful, this espresso machine uses the latest in thermocoil heating technology to ensure your coffee is always brewed at the perfect temperature. It heats up in just 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest espresso machines available. The Bambino Plus also offers a built-in steam wand for making creamy lattes and cappuccinos, giving you a full barista experience without the need for a pricey coffee shop visit. Whether you're a beginner or a coffee enthusiast, this machine has easy-to-use features that will deliver espresso perfection every time without taking up too much counter space. Razer E300 Electric Scooter. If you're looking for a fun, eco-friendly way to get around the city or just cruise around your neighborhood, the Razer E300 Electric Scooter is the way to go. This electric scooter boasts a powerful 250-watt motor that can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. With a large deck, pneumatic tires, and a rear brake, it ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on rougher surfaces. The E300 is perfect for both kids and adults alike who want to add a little excitement to their daily commute or weekend activities. It's easy to fold and store, making it a great option for people who need a convenient mode of transport that doesn't take up too much space. Plus, its sleek design will definitely turn heads wherever you go. Dowtronics. The LED desk lamp. The Dowtronics LED desk lamp isn't just a lamp. It's a multifunctional piece of tech that combines modern style with practicality, featuring adjustable brightness settings, color temperature modes, and a sleek, minimalistic design. This desk lamp is perfect for those who spend hours in front of screens or reading. You can customize the lighting to suit your activity, whether you're working, studying, or just relaxing. It also comes with a built-in USB port so you can charge your devices while you work, making it both space-efficient and convenient. The energy-efficient LED bulb ensures that you'll save on electricity costs, and the touch-sensitive controls make adjusting the light super easy. Polaroid Originals One Step Plus Instant Camera. In the age of smartphones, instant cameras might seem like a thing of the past, but the Polaroid Originals One Step Plus Instant Camera brings back the nostalgia of instant prints with a 21st century twist. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can connect the camera to your phone and control it through the Polaroid app for creative shots and custom filters. The camera itself is designed to capture photos in stunning detail with a 4-lens system that ensures each shot is crisp and clear. But the best part is the instant gratification of watching your photos develop right in front of your eyes. The Voight Air Purifier. If you've ever dealt with allergies, asthma, or just want cleaner air in your home, the Voight Air Purifier is a must-have. This high-performance purifier uses a 3-stage filtration system, including a HEPA filter to remove dust, allergens, pet dander, smoke, and even certain bacteria and viruses from the air. It's perfect for those who live in cities with high pollution or in homes with multiple pets. The compact size makes it easy to place in any room, and it's surprisingly quiet so it won't disrupt your daily activities. Plus, the air purifier is energy efficient and comes with smart features, including an automatic mode that adjusts the speed based on the air quality. Breathe easy, knowing you're taking control of the air in your home. Eufy by Anker Security Camera. When it comes to home security, you can't go wrong with the Eufy by Anker Security Camera. This smart wireless camera features 1080p HD video, night vision, and two-way audio, allowing you to monitor your home from anywhere in the world. Whether it's during the day or night, the camera ensures you never miss a moment. With motion detection and real-time alerts sent straight to your phone, the Eufy camera keeps you informed of any suspicious activity. The best part? It's easy to install, and you don't need a professional to set it up. Caseta by Lutron Smart Lighting Kit. Transform your home into a smart home with the Caseta by Lutron Smart Lighting Kit. This easy-to-install kit allows you to control your lights with just your voice, smartphone, or smart assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. You can schedule your lights to turn on or off at specific times, adjust brightness, or create customized lighting scenes to match your mood. The Caseta switches also work with dimming, making it perfect for any room in the house. Installation is a breeze, and it doesn't require a hub, making it a fantastic entry point into the world of smart home technology. With energy-saving features, this lighting system is not only convenient, but eco-friendly. Sony PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. For all the gamers out there, the Sony PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller is a must-have addition to your gaming setup. This controller isn't just about looking sleek, it's designed to elevate your gaming experience with innovative features like adaptive triggers and haptic feedback that make you feel every action in the game. Whether you're playing an action-packed shooter or a relaxing adventure, the responsiveness and immersion of the DualSense make you feel like you're part of the game. Plus, it has a built-in microphone so you can chat with friends without needing a headset. Which of these gadgets are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love cool tech. Stay tuned for more gadget recommendations and updates coming your way soon.